In this video, I'm going to show you a new method so you can quickly summarize any YouTube video using ChatGPT. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. This is very easy. Just go to any YouTube video. In my case, I have this 16 minutes long video about 32 tricks to level up cloud code in 16 minutes. So let's say I don't want to watch the whole thing. I can just go to the description, click here, and scroll down, and you should find this show transcript button. Now right here we can find all the script for this video, and you can just select all this text to copy all the content on the video, and now go to ChatGPT and say something like summarize this YouTube video about, and then just put the title of this video and paste the transcript here. And after a few seconds we have all the summary right here, and we can even ask ChatGPT about things. For example, tell me the most advanced tricks in the video, and this way it will help you understand this video so you don't waste your time watching it. So that's it. That's how you can summarize a video using ChatGPT. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.